The skinny bitch is in the kitchen again. So you can use ground beef or ground turkey or even ground chicken, whatever you want to use for your lasagna. I'm using ground beef, and I make sure I get the one that is a higher percentage in lean. So let's say it'll say 90% lean and 10% fat. So yeah, that's what I do. So let's get into the seasonings. And you know I'm going to list them below because I may leave some out. But I'm using the garlic powder, the Creole seasoning. I just got put on to this seasoning. I don't know where I've been at, but this seasoning is good. It's good. Then I'm going to take some Lawry's. Black people love Lawry's, okay? We live by Lawry's. Roasted garlic and herb. And you can use whatever seasonings you want to use to spice it up, but we just want it to be very flavorful. And I'm using some brown sugar bourbon. Can't go wrong with brown sugar and any meat. Trust me. So next you want to stir that up. We don't want our meat to be like pink. We want it to be fully covered in brown. Okay, we want it to be very brown. So we're gonna brown this. So now when it comes to pasta and lasagna, your sauce is your main secret weapon ingredient. I'm telling you, your sauce can make it or break it, and we gonna make it. So you want to use some Prego. I like Prego. I'm not a ragu person. I am a Prego person. So we gonna use some Prego and we gonna season that up. However, I'm gonna tell you this, I like my sauce to be more on the sweeter side than the bitter side. So we're gonna season it up and add one of my favorite secret ingredients, and that is brown sugar. Now, you don't want to use a whole lot. You don't want your shit to be super sweet, but we want it to have just a pinch of it, okay? So I'm making 2 pans, so that's why I have a lot of meat going on. I'm making 2 pans of lasagna. Now, once you're done boiling your noodles and your noodles is ready to go, it is time to layer it up. So I like to layer my first bottom layer in some sauce. And this layer don't have to have a lot of meat or sauce at the bottom, but just enough so that it doesn't stick. You don't want your noodles to stick. And now we're just gonna layer it. Sauce, noodles, sauce, cheese, noodles, sauce, cheese, noodles, and continue to do so until your pan is fully covered. Now, I am using mozzarella, sharp, and a mix of a Mexican cheese and ricotta cheese. Now, usually I don't really like ricotta cheese. I usually substitute that for cottage cheese. However, my sisters like ricotta, so that's what I'm gonna do. But trust me, the cottage cheese is the way to go. And I'm just gonna continue to layer it up. You can use whatever cheeses you want. It's just cheese. It's all gonna melt and be very tasty. Now make sure you preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and we are gonna cover this pan up. And about the last 15 minutes before it is ready to take out the oven, we are going to uncover it, and we are going to have something that looks like this. So I want to say thank y'all for watching. Let me know if you guys make any of my recipes. Tag me in it. Send me a comment. and just let me know. I appreciate y'all.